What's up, guys? Black Scout Survival, and today we're going to be doing a product review of the Doom and Bloom Gunshot Wound Kit. And this kit is designed by Dr. Bones and Nurse Amy of Doom and Bloom. Doctor and a nurse, obviously, so they're medical professionals. And a lot of gunshot wounds, or gunshot wound kits or blowout kits, are designed by medics, and a lot of times designed by people that don't even have a medical background. So I feel very confident, in buying stuff from them. I've attended their classes in the past, suture and stapling class. They're very knowledgeable people, and they're very into, giving out information to the prepper community, survival community. They also have a book called Survival Medicine, and I have a copy of the book, and I've been reading, and it's a very, very good book, and I encourage you to read that. But let's kind of get to the kit here. This kit is designed for the non-medical professional to, attend to, serious bleeding type injuries, whether a stab or a gunshot. This one here is multicam, but you can get, I think olive drab, coyote, but this is multicam. On the exterior of the molly here, you have some bandage scissors. Then you have a Kelly clamp here to stop severe bleeding by closing blood vessels. You have a CPR life key, or just a CPR like little mask, and then a red marker there, Sharpie. You have a good paracord tether there, and this is obviously for putting when you put a tourniquet on someone, as there is in the kit. And this is like one of the most comprehensive gunshot wound kits I've ever seen. Opens up with a clamshell design. Immediately you're going to see a few things. You're going to see this card that has, you write down the patient's information, and that way you can attach to them of what you've done, what's wrong with them, and that way for further medical care they have that information. There's a H&H compressed gauze right here. There's some medical tape right there. Some ammonia inhalants. There's a mask, like a breathing mask. There's an emergency blanket here. There's some black nitrile gloves, and then under that is some alcohol swabs and providone iodine as well. So that's just some basic stuff here. And you have this good elastic webbing to, store everything in a neat, organized fashion. Now on this side, you got a lot of major trauma stuff over here. You have a scalpel, a sterile scalpel. Then you have a 6-inch Israeli bandage, or emergency bandage here in the U.S., or they call it. And these are fantastic. If you don't have any of these, you need to get some like yesterday. You have a decompression needle kit here, and this is sealed up, so it's sterile as well. ABD pad, another ABD pad. Then you have a SOFT tourniquet. These are, in my opinion, the best. They have a metal windlass and can really be tightened down. I mean, these things have saved a lot of lives over in the sandbox. Behind that, you have two rolled conforming stretched gauze bandages. Then you have the C-Locks, and this has the applicator with the C-Locks granules, and basically you stick it into the wound and kind of inject like a syringe, and it feeds those granules in there, and then you bandage up. Fantastic. And this, I'm pretty positive, is further medical care doesn't trip out when you use this versus like something like Quick Lock. And in the very back here, you have some hyphen vent chest seals. You have a twin pack, and made by North American Rescue. And North American Rescue has got a lot of good gear there. So pretty much you have everything you need. Casualty card is very good. I don't see a lot of kits with those. I see some, but very, very good. But you have your bandage scissors and stuff like that to access easily to get to the wound, open it up, and then you have your major bleeding stuff on one side and some other gear like protection barriers like the gloves and the CPR mask. So fantastic kit, and like I said, this is developed by actual medical professionals. They've been in the profession for a long time, so they know what they're doing versus some kind of medic or corpsman, and there's nothing wrong with that. I trust medic and corpsman as well, but if I can get someone that has a higher level of training and education, and the people that take care of the people once they get there and actually keep them beyond keeping them alive, but actually helping them stay alive, this is the kind of kit you want. So check them out at Doom and Bloom. Also, I did an interview with them a few weeks ago, so I'm going to put those links to their blog radio channel below as well. They have a good radio channel, good information, got a lot of people on there. So check them out. Check out blackscoutsurvival.com for more tips and tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. As always, thanks for watching.